touch screen, but it prints what's real. The pages and its memory, those full no disguise, just a stream of little truths in a monospace size. I send a single character, it moves its head. You hear the tick-tick rhythm of the words I said. No promise of a future, no buffering of time. If the byte was sent, it's already alive. No waiting for a new line, no page to be done. The moment that I write it, the paper's already run. One byte at a time, you tell me the state carries return dreams. Our paper take fate. If the system crashes, you're still gonna save what happened right there when it all went away. One byte at a time, I might as well pretend. If it reached the printer, that's where it ends. Inkjets talking pages, lasers thinking sheets, but you speak in serial and mechanical beats. I took half a thought, then I wait 5 minutes more. You hold the line steady, like you've done before. Sequences whisper, like registers set. Hold on, hold off, no state to forget. From factories to basements, from labs to the night, you've been logging the truth since '79. The chrono driver magic, no silent delay, just metal on paper and the embedded way. One byte at a time, you tell me the state tabs and line feeds carving out fate. If the power goes dark, it's the watch now bites. You've already written the last known lie. One byte at a time, deterministic sound. When the system went down, you were still around. Tick, 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 the heartbeat of the process that never lies. While buffers overflow and pass freeze, you're still burning alibis. Paper keeps the memory, wherein forgets the crime. No segmentation, fault but erase what you stamped in time. I open DVSB, raw and bare. How formatting reduces bodies in the air. I print my fears, I flush my soul, and you're punching straight through to a physical slow. When the reboot comes and the logs are gone, there you are, still coming, going on. A ribbon one thin, but your message intact. A time and a truth in black or white fact. One byte at a time, you never forget. Every state transition